How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Foodie TV. It's Davian, and today I'm in Bangkok, Thailand, in the Talat Blue area, here at a restaurant called Tek Hang. I'm here with my good friend Ek, who is a local foodie.
What's up, guys?
And what's special about this restaurant?
This restaurant been here for like over 100 years, and the recipe of the crispy noodle that we're gonna try never been changed since the beginning.
That means this crispy noodles must be legendary.
Yes,
I'm super excited, and it's all coming right up in this video. We got all our food. We ordered all the things that they are known for, starting with this crispy noodles. Crispy
noodle,
fried
yeah.
crab
You're right.
and shrimp noodles. It looks...
That thing smells
It
good.
smells incredible, right?
Yeah.
Okay. But then next up, we also ordered what they're also known for is also crispy noodles, but in a soup form. So it's in a broth with shrimp, crab, and also it comes with an egg. And then these two dishes, I'm gonna let Ek explain it.
So we got the first one. This is like powdered fish stuffed with some Thai aromatic with a little spice, and cut together with some the cucumber sweet and sour.
Ooh. Cucumber and fish sauce, I think, right?
Cucumber fish sauce, sweetened a little bit.
What's the Thai name for this?
We call it thod man pla.
Thod man pla.
Thod man pla. It's mean like
man
deep fried fish. Yeah.
Oh wow, I'm
deep
super
fried
excited.
fish,
It looks super yummy, and
Yeah.
you can tell it's freshly made, freshly
It
fried.
is, man.
And then what is this?
And another one is kind of a little bit Chinese influence.
Okay.
Because around this area is like they got ancestor from China.
Right,
And
so-
some of these like this one is very Chinese. So this one we call it kapao pla.
Kapao pla.
Kapao pla. It's a bit difficult.
Kapao pla. I'm trying to learn Thai, you guys, and Thai is very challenging.
Yeah.
But I'm trying my best. And then what's the name for this?
Oh, this one we call it Mee Krob.
Mee Krob.
Mee Krob, it means crispy noodle.
Oh,
It's
crispy
just,
noodles.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's just.
And what about when shrimp and crab? Is there like a name for it?
we call like Mee Krob Kung, but this one have a little after name
I see.
after this restaurant as
Right.
well, because they've been open for so long, so they name it after
I see.
the restaurant.
So Mee Krob.
Mee Krob Kung.
Mee Krob Kung.
Yeah, there you
And
go.
then this?
And this one we call Mee Krob Soup.
Mee Krob soup.
Mee Krob soup, yeah. The same, yeah.
Mee
Soup,
Krob
soup
soup.
is the same. Soup
Okay.
is the same.
And
yeah.
from what I've heard and read on the reviews, we've never been here before. This is very famous, and it was famous because legend has it that King Rama V
Yeah,
loved this
Been
dish so much.
so much.
Long time ago that he said like not to change the recipe.
Yes, and they didn't.
Okay,
They
so
still like same Bangkok day.
all right,
Back at
everything
same
looks
day.
and sounds so good. Let's dive into it. Less talking.
Sure,
Let's go.
sure. Let's
Okay.
start. What you gonna start?
We
first?
gotta start with the famous.
All right. You
Noodles.
do that. There you go.
And then it also comes with a little bit of fish sauce on the side.
Yep.
But I think we need to try it with like just original flavors first, right?
Just that
Oh,
first.
can't forget the chilies. It
Yeah.
comes with fresh chilies.
Yeah.
Thai food isn't the same without fresh chilies
You're right.
or
man.
some spice in general.
You're right.
Okay,
You're right.
let's do
Sure.
a whole spoonful.
Cool.
All right, big spoonful right here. Cheers, you guys.
Cheers.
Oh wow. The noodles are super crispy. There's like some sweetness and some savory.
Yeah.
Oh man, that was I can't even explain it because that was so good. That first bite.
In Thai, when we do stir fry dishes, if you get like the smell from the iron pan, the aroma from the iron pan,
The smokiness from
the
the
smoke
wok.
in it, yeah,
So,
from the wok, it
wow,
just
that was incredible.
Just
And then
show
you
up,
have
yeah.
just a little bit of fresh bean sprouts on there, or in there that cuts through the richness of it.
yeah.
Oh, let's take one more bite. That was so good.
Yeah, I gotta try more. I've been here forever. Let's share it again, you guys.
Oh. The chili is not Thai chilies. It's just it's a different chili, so it's not too spicy. It just adds just a little hint of spiciness.
So kind of fresh. And this chili normally it's not like Thai chili, but
Yeah.
if you call Thai chili, it's gonna be small one.
Right. And that one is a lot spicier.
cake.
Yeah, it's kick a lot.
That thing is
And
cake.
then this white thing, I don't know what it is.
I think it's pig shallot. Yeah, I think pig shallot.
Oh, pickled shallots, you
Pickled
guys.
shallot,
Yeah,
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 pickled
yeah.
shallot.
Now I can taste it. It's a
Yeah.
pickled shallots.
Got a little sweet and sour to it.
Yeah. Oh wow. Okay. Now, with that said, we have to do one ultimate bite with everything.
Yeah.
With the pickles, with the
With
chilies. Yeah.
I've been here forever, but I never had it.
You never had this.
I
You
never had this one before. Yeah, this is my first time too. It's kind of a
And Egg lives near here,
near here. Yeah, I've been here forever. I told you.
so he's a local food expert. And if he's impressed, you guys know this is good. I got the
more coming
ultimate
up.
bite right here.
There
A little
you
bit
go.
of everything on there.
Cool. Yeah, I think I'm ready.
Cheers, guys. Everything combined,
Mm.
so good. Oh.
The freshness of chili, it brings more flavor from.
Yeah, it brings everything with the pickled shallots as well. Everything just balanced together so well. Definitely must get when you come here. All right, this is the fish cake,
The fish cake.
freshly fried. This is a small order and it came out with a lot. I wasn't expecting it to be this many pieces, but we'll see what it tastes like. This is what
There
it
you
looks
go.
like on the inside, you guys. There you go.
There you
All
go.
right,
Cheers.
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 No sauce.
Yeah.
You take some green onions on there, in there, some dill, nicely fried. It doesn't taste oily,
Yeah. A little spicy to it as
a
well.
little spicy kick to it. But I think now it's not as salty, so the
Yeah.
flavor is not as strong.
Yeah.
But I think that's why they brought out the fish sauce.
They come with the salt. Yeah.
In here, there's cucumbers, there's some shallots,
Yeah. Some shallots. I think spring onion. Oh, not spring onion. It's garlic and.
garlic, and then the fish sauce is a little on the thicker side, just
Yeah.
slightly thicker. So I think they put some palm sugar maybe.
Yes. Yes. That's for sure. Yeah.
Okay, let's put it on. I think I'm gonna have
Alright.
to scoop this because of the cucumbers.
Let's do it properly. There you go.
Right here, you guys got the cucumbers with the sauce. Cheers. Oh yeah, definitely have to dip with the sauce.
Yeah.
It surprisingly adds like a nice brightness to it because
Yeah.
it's not super like salty or savory.
Yeah.
And it's not thick.
I think in the flavor, everything is kind of balanced.
Yeah,
Balance
very
about-
balanced. Very balanced.
After you get the salt.
Everything you need to combine everything, and the freshness of the cucumbers just adds a nice touch to the richness of the fish cake. Wow, so good. You've had a lot of this before.
Yeah.
What do you think of this restaurant's version?
I think it's one of the good that I have. I have one that's good. I have one that bad.
Right.
I think this one it's one of the
One
good.
of the better ones that you have?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
One of the
Very
better
good.
one. But the best one should be at the seafood place that I had in nearby Pattaya.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
So take it for his word as local food guy. Okay,
Yeah.
now we're gonna move into the Mee Krob soup.
Mee Krob soup or
Mee
Mee
Krob
Krob nam.
soup.
I'm sorry.
Oh, Mee
Yeah.
Krob
The
nam.
Mee Krob nam it means soup.
Okay,
We call it Mee Krob
Krob nam,
Sure.
which is means soup. Okay,
Spoon for you, man.
this is
Oh.
crispy noodles in soup. Of course, the noodles not gonna be crispy anymore.
Yeah.
But,
Got a little soggy, but it looks nice, man.
Yeah, it looks very nice.
There you go.
Looks very nice. Let's try some of the broth by
Yeah,
itself.
I forgot to
Okay.
spoon you the broth. There you go.
Got it. Let's try
You
some
got
of the
it.
broth. I think you need a bigger broth spoon.
Yeah.
You need more than that, man.
Just a favorite. All right.
Okay.
All right.
Any kind of soup based guys, broth always comes first. Number one rule.
That's for sure.
Cheers.
There you go. Cheers.
It's very interesting. It's a little sweet.
Yeah.
It's a little sweet.
That's different.
It's different. There's a little seafood flavor to it.
Yeah.
I've never had a
Definitely,
soup like
definitely.
this yet.
Me too.
I've never had a soup like this.
It's kind of light though. I thought it's gonna be.
very light. Yeah.
I thought it's gonna be thicker. Just from the look of the soup.
Yep.
You
Yeah,
probably think
it does look thick from the
Yeah.
onset of it, but it's light. It's very light.
amazingly light.
It's sweet. There's some seafood flavor to it.
Yeah.
Some crab flavor.
You got the wok aroma
Yeah.
in it as well.
I can't think of another soup that's similar to this.
Yeah, nothing came up to my mind.
This is like this first time I had it. It's
Something
good.
new.
It's good. It's just interesting. It's playing like games with my mind right now. Okay, ultimate bite, everything. The noodles has a very interesting texture to it.
Yeah.
It's not crispy. It doesn't taste like it's boiled.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a bit different. Yeah.
It's a bit different, right?
Yeah, it's kind of in between. I don't know. How to
It's
describe.
hard to describe, guys. 'Cause
Yeah.
I think what they did was they took like crispy fried noodles and then they poured broth over it.
Go brought to it, yeah.
So it creates a very, very interesting texture for the noodles.
It is. Yeah.
Right?
The
Like-
texture is a little different.
Yeah, it's different. It's good though. It's not bad. It's good. It's just different. I've never had anything like it,
Same. man.
especially for soup.
Yeah. Let's share.
Cheers. Now let's move on to this last dish, which is
กระเพาะปลา
kapao bla.
กระเพาะปลา Yeah, ปลา is mean soup. กระเพาะ is mean like the stomach.
Right. So there's fish maw. There's some other thing. There's some shiitake mushrooms.
ชาเค็ม
The soup and gravy is very thick,
right thick.
you guys. So
Yeah.
let's go ahead and try it out. This is very popular here as well. And this place is specialized in Thai Chinese food.
Yeah.
So let me grab your.
Judge it from the look. Thank you very much. There you go.
There's crab in here as well. I see
Yeah.
some crab meats.
I think it's got a little everything in there.
A little bit of everything.
A little bit
Yeah.
of
Some
everything in there.
cilantro or
Yeah.
coriander
That's
in
it.
there. Okay.
Cool.
I guess let's just go straight for the fish maw.
Sure. Yeah.
All right. Cheers,
Cheers.
guys. Oh wow.
I think I like this one.
This one's really good.
I think I like this one.
The gravy, it looks thick, but it's not.
Still, yeah.
Yeah, it's not as thick as it looks.
Yeah.
And
When you pour it out, it
Yeah.
looks like thick, but when it's in your mouth, it's kind of it's light.
and then the fish maw, it just melts in your mouth.
Yeah. It's just super.
Like you don't
super
even have to
melting.
chew. And the flavor is like is very subtle. It's not overpowering or it's not super
Smooth.
strong. It's very smooth. That's a
It's
good word. It's
smooth,
very
yeah.
smooth
The
and
cut is
clean.
smooth, yeah.
A little bit savory.
Yeah.
There's not a lot of sweetness in here.
And I think we did put some pepper.
Oh yeah,
to
yes,
it.
we
Yeah.
did put some black pepper.
Yeah, you like a little more?
I like a little more.
There you go.
I love
like
black
it.
pepper with my soups.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, now we're gonna do it with the shiitake mushrooms and
Yep, with
the
everything.
fish maw. Okay.
Cool.
All right. Cheers, you guys.
Cheers, you guys.
That's so good. Be sure to add the black pepper in there. Oh. If there's one thing that this reminds me of, if you guys are familiar with it, it's the Vietnamese crab soup.
Oh.
It's very similar to it. I don't know if you ever had it, but
I don't think I had it. I
the
don't think I
taste profile is very similar to the Vietnamese crab soup. So if you guys have ever had that, that's what this reminds me of. It's so good.
Wow.
It's super good.
It brings you back.
Yeah, it reminds me of that dish completely. Very similar flavors.
Oh,
Oh,
wow.
I love this. This is so good. I highly recommend you guys order this. What is it called again?
It's called กระเพาะปลา
Ka
เพาะ
pok
ปลา
bla. Ka pok bla.
There you go.
Sorry,
Now you got it. Now you got it. Now you got it.
Okay, everything
Yeah.
was very good. I think my favorite today. Oh man, it's between these two.
It's hard to judge, right?
Yeah, it's hard to choose between these two.
Hard to
These two
choose, yeah.
are very good in their own way. What was your favorite?
Me? Yeah, I would go for this one today.
That one?
Yeah, that's
This is
so
fish
good.
maw soup? Yeah.
Yeah, favorite.
That's so
today.
good.
That's
And
so good.
definitely, I would recommend coming to this place to check it out if you're in the Talapulu area.
The La Plu
And,
area. Yeah.
this place is very famous. It's been here for over 100 years, and the recipes have not changed from what I understand.
Yeah. It never changes. They
Right.
keep it
All right, you guys.
from generation to
Right.
generation.
Generations to generations. So it's over a century old, year old. So that's amazing. And that's pretty much it. We're gonna finish this off. And if you guys enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up. Be sure to leave a comment, let us know a recommendation on where we should go or I should try. Heck is gonna continue showing me around, but I
Sure.
love all recommendations.
Yeah.
And be sure to hit the subscribe button. And lastly, if you guys made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next episode of the Foodie TV. Peace.
Peace.